In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install War Thunder for free on your PC or laptop. First, we need to download the Steam app. Open your Google Chrome and search for store.steampowered.com. Link in description. Click on the Install Steam button on this page. Once you've done that, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the .exe file and open it. Click Next. Select your preferred language and click Next. Select where you want to install Steam and press Next. Wait for installation process. It will take some time. Then you can log in or create new account. Once you have Steam on your PC, all you need to do is open it and click on Create a Free Account from the bottom right corner. Here, you need to enter your email address, so I'll just type in mine and then retype the email address to confirm it. After that, select your country of residence and check the box that says, "I'm not a robot." Then, complete any puzzles if they show up and click on Next. Complete the next puzzle and click on Verify. If something wrong with puzzle verification, just close Steam and start process form beginning. Check the box that says, "I'm 13 years of age or older," and click on Continue. If you are older than 16, proceed with that option. Otherwise, you will need your parents' email address. Steam will send you an email to the email address provided. Open your email, click on the Steam verification email, and then click on Verify my email address. Once your email is verified, minimize the window, and you'll see the option to enter an account name, choose a password, and confirm the password. After that, click on Done. As you can see, the new account is created successfully. Click on Continue and close the window. Now, you can use your new account credentials to log into Steam. Type in your credentials and click on Sign In. Now, we're inside Steam, where you can download free games or buy games and play them. When you are done with installation and creating account, just log in. Now, go to Store and click on the search box at the top right-hand corner. Search for War Thunder. If game is not showing up, check out video in description. It will show how to fix this problem. If you see game in drop-down menu, just click on it. Then scroll down until you see Add to Library button. Click on it. Click OK. Then just press on Play Game and complete installation. Or you can go to your library. You can use the search box to find game you just added or navigate directly to the games category. Now click Install and complete installation. After installation, you can press play or you can find game icon on your desktop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and help reach 1,000 subscribers mark so I can make more tutorials.